Hi, Misty. Oh, it's so nice there, Misty. Can you take a look a little bit? Noise. Ooh! Excuse me, tabi po. Hi, guys. Hi, trekking family. Trekking family.
I'm thinking twice.
I'm thinking Beanie.
Right now.
Oh, Misty, you're so pretty in there. You're in the rainforest, Misty. You're so cute. You're in the rainforest. But Jazzle is on top of you. Hi.
Juan, having a second thought. Kataas ba?
Having second thought.
Thinking twice.
Magsayo.
Thinking twice.
Uy, what is this trekking from up above?
What a despedida.
Asa na ikaw mag-Bernard?
Hi, des. Siyempre, mag-prepare na siya.
Grabe naman.
Lalo ko sa airport naman.
Uy!
Masak ka. Si Hana?
Dawa, di ka po ang gaga oh. Anong gamay?
Wala magod siya body fats.
Yan ni ate.
Uy, ang mga tambok, ipang kapoy na. Unya, ang walay bilbil na nasa una. Day, pahuway sa ta mga isa ka oras. Ay, maki MJS, gina siya. Pagbabay kaya ang... Charot.
Dili ko friendly.
Ikay MJS ka na mo ang... Uy, I'm so tired.
Last part bang susi na bilin sa ubus.
Not me, I'm not coming back for that.
The rain is swiper, no swiping.
Amazing Earth! Jazzle, you can Amazing Earth already, Jazzle. Is the shooter okay? Are we doing all right, friends? Okay.